I just received my Amazon package and it's supposed to be my new microphone. So I'm just a starting YouTuber and I was asking my friends like for any advice to improve my videos, and one of my friends told me that the audio is not really good and that the volume is low. So since then I've just been researching which mics I can buy, and it's been so interesting. There are so many mics, really expensive ones that cost like over $300, $400. That's not within my budget, so I was looking for something cheaper. And this one cost me, how much did it cost me? I bought the used version of it, so it cost me about $100. It just looked so pretty on pictures, and one of my favorite YouTubers, Lana Blakely, is using it. I trust her. She seems very credible, so if she's using it, it must be good. I know some people say like you only should get it as a second mic, and the first one you should get the one that's cheaper, but I thought I might as well start with something that's already good and not buy something that's cheaper if I'm gonna buy this one later anyway. This is it. Logicool for creators. Logicool? Who knows? I also got a buffalo mouse. I don't know how the hell. Yeah. And then also a buffalo USB, like multiple plug thing. But yeah, the best part is the mic, obviously. ASMR. ASMR, guys. Whoa. I like this sound. Even the sound is gonna sound so much better with a mic. Blue. Oh my god, it feels so nice. It's like, it's cold and you can feel the metal thing being really smooth. Very nice. The cord protection. Oh my god, it moves. Is this what you call 100, 300, 600? Yeah, 180 turn. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Dude. I actually thought it was gonna be bigger for some reason. But that's probably because it's Blue Yeti Nano. If you got just the Blue Yeti or Blue Yeti X, it should be bigger. It probably would be bigger. But this one, it's like so compact. It's the size of, I don't know what it's, well, it's bigger than my hand, but maybe two of my hands. The size of my hand. There are two patterns here. I think it was like omnidirectional, and I only have like 5 videos up and I already got myself a professional mic and it's so funny because who does that? I'm not really typically into technology, and I think I'm like ambivalent about technology. I think it can be really useful, but on the other hand, I really like being off social media, and I really like the clarity that comes back into my mind the moment, not the moment, but some minutes pass by, or like 30 minutes pass by when I'm off social media, and I start to get like clear-headed, and I really, really enjoy that feeling. So I don't like being on social media or using technology all the time, but it's just so fucking cool. And it's the used one, right? So you would expect it to be a little bit more... Oh no, I can see one scratch, but... That's a plug that I will put into the mic. It's the side that I put into my computer. Hello? What the fuck? How do I use this? Okay, so I plugged it in. So it's not a speaker, obviously. So it's not like the music is gonna start playing from it. Okay, so I think what I'm supposed to do is to start recording. I feel like I'm sometimes so stupid when it comes to like dealing with practical things. Not always, just sometimes. So if I play camera, there should be a sound. 1, 2, 3, testing. Okay, so I have video, and now if I play it back, it's supposed to sound nicer than without a mic. There is no sound. Dude, what? Play it. There's no sound. How do you test this? Why do I not know how to do this? Oh. I'm gonna use my new USB plug by Buffalo, because my computer doesn't catch Wi-Fi, so I have to use a USB thing that connects to Wi-Fi automatically. Looks pretty cool, actually. But it's like, you know, it's green, so it's, and the volume is up, so I should be able to test it somehow. Okay, mic test. Test your microphone in 3 easy steps by Drift Video. Hello, sound check. This should work. I'm raising the volume. Now I'm speaking into my blue Yeti mic with a cardioid pattern. So cardioid pattern means that the mic is just picking up the voice right in front of it, not on the sides. So if I speak on the sides, you probably hear it less clearly. And if I switch into omnidirectional pattern, then you probably can hear me speaking in front of it and also on the sides. Yeah, super happy with my mic. I'd say I recommend it to people, but I don't know yet if I do. Not enough time spent using this. Apparently also you can hear every little thing that you do if you have a mic. I don't know. Is this annoying? How about mouse? Yeah, I also bought this thing. It's this like cover for a mic so that it doesn't have dust, and also I guess for cutting out the wind noise if I plan to film. What the fuck just happened to this video? Are you seeing that the light is different here? I didn't switch any setting. Anyway. Yeah. So like that. Has like a hat now. Pretty cute. Alright guys, subscribe, like my video. Really helps me a lot because I'm still new, so I need traction. So say bye to my mic. Bye bye. Anyway,